Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to send spoiler messages on Telegram. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing is that you simply need to log into your Telegram account. Once you're there, you click on the chat in which you want to send the message. After which, you simply write a text or a message. After that, you click on it, double tap on it. After that, you click on spoiler. Once you're done with that, you can simply send it. So if you want to send a spoiler image, you simply click on here, upload the image. Click here, you click on this three dot here. After which you simply click on what? Hide with spoiler. After that you click on send. So guys, that is actually the way you send a spoiler image and message on Telegram. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.